I am comfy cozy in my clothes. It is kind of late at night. I don't know, I just felt like recording a video, so here we go. Let's talk about my trash. Today's video is going to be an empties video, and we're going to keep up with all the trash, like I said before in my last empties video. If you missed that, I will link it above because it was a good one. I had some good empties. I'm going to try to make this quick because I know I can tend to go long on my videos because I like to chit chat, but I have some good empties today. We have some cleaning products, beauty products, a lot of wax empties, candles too. So if you are interested in that, please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because 60% of you guys watch my videos but don't subscribe. I don't know why. Just join the community. It's free. Who doesn't love free things? Push it, free, boom, videos. Let's start. Also, if you're wondering, I'm currently burning the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow from Bath & Body Works. One of my favorites. It's so good, and this year's packaging really matches my bedding right now, but soon that will be all changing into fall decor. It's coming, yay! So yeah, I kind of did like a small fall haul, but I'm definitely gonna go back to Bath & Body Works and vlog it and do like a full fall haul Bath & Body Works video for you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe. First up, we're going to talk about one of my favorite products is the Miss Meyer's cleaning spray. All of Mrs. Meyer's products are so good. They smell really good. This one is a basil scent, and apparently they are made without parabens and artificial colors, formaldehyde, and you don't want that stuff in your cleaning products. And if you see that in your cleaning products, toss it because you don't want it. I have a lot of these, so now that we're transitioning into the fall time, I already have my fall Miss Meyer scents, so this is going to be gone for a while until springtime. I'm also going to be ordering my Thieves cleaner off of Young Living pretty soon. Well, that was it for the cleaning products. I thought I had more, but I guess I don't. I really like to elongate the lifespan of my products because I'm a frugal chick. Yeah, I don't know. I like having a lot of options, but then I also like getting them done with and in the trash. So now I do have a few beauty products. So let's go through them really quickly. I have the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. This is a sample I got from my last Sephora haul, and Sephora is currently having a sale, I believe, right now, but I'm on a budget. Cannot do that sale until December. I would probably get like a small travel size for some vacations, but again, the fragrance with this line, it's too much. It's too florally, and I don't like fragrance. I like fragrance in my wax, in my candles, but I don't like fragrance really within my body products. It's just not very good for your skin. It tends to be very drying for my skin. So I don't know. I mean, it wasn't my fave, but it also was good. Does that make sense? So we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I love this mascara. Mascaras I always buy in these small sample sizes because it takes forever to get through a tube. So I always get the sample sizes and they're a lot easier to go through. I love that brand. Honestly though, CVS has some pretty dang good mascaras that are a lot cheaper. So if you don't get that on the sale, then go to CVS or Walgreens or Rite Aid or Walmart. Oh, I love this product. If you have not heard of this before, it's the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water all-in-one. It removes makeup, it removes dirt from your skin. If you are a guy and you do not wear makeup, or if you're a girl and you don't wear makeup, this stuff is great to get off on the day of skin dirt that you get throughout the day that you don't even notice that you have, but everyone has it because the air is polluted. And if you put this on a little cotton pad and you wipe away, you're gonna be like, whoa, who knew? But this stuff is awesome, and I have a travel size of this, so I'm gonna be bringing that to my honeymoon. This one was a little bit of a splurge because I heard some good things about it. It's the Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. It's supposed to help with smooth lines, minimize the look of pores, and it says it improves the texture of your skin. If you have very textured skin, this is apparently really good. It was a small size. I also got it in that Sephora sale, and it comes with 3 packets. This is what the packet looks like. So there's 2 parts. One part you put on your skin and you rub it on there for, you know, you get all this stuff out of it, all the juices out of it, and then you let it sit for 2 minutes. Then you open up the next one and you rub that on top, and then you're good to go. You add a serum, your moisturizer, and apparently it's supposed to work wonders. For my skin, I did see a slight difference, but really you're supposed to use these every day or every other day. They are so expensive, so I would repurchase a small size, you know, if I had an event to get ready for, and I would do that the week of maybe, but not my day-to-day. I don't have that problematic of skin, so not really something I want to repurchase. Last thing of the beauty products is the classic cult favorite Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. And I hate to break it to you guys, but I don't like this product. I know everybody else loves it, but it is very sticky on my skin. It doesn't feel hydrating, and I just don't like it. The Trader Joe's rose water spray is so much better and cheaper and more hydrating for me. So yeah, not repurchasing that. Okay, now let's get into my final wax products of the month. And we're gonna start off, I'll end with my Bath & Body Works one because I gotta talk about it for a little bit. So from Midnight Daydream Wax Company, I used up the kitchen sink that had the caramel cookies, cinnamon buns, bear claws, and Twinkies. I didn't love this one because it didn't throw that well in my waxer. On cold in this little thing, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It just smells like delicious pastries in a little container. So I don't think I'm gonna repurchase that one. This one though was a sample he gave me, and it was the brulee sugar cookies, and this threw beautifully. My whole apartment did smell like these brulee sugar cookies. And this does have a different note to it. It has more of like a caramel note to it from that brulee than the pastry one, but this does smell like pastry cookies with caramel in it. Next, I have a ton of candles by Jackie Wax. So I went through the black raspberry vanilla, which I loved. I would repurchase that one. Cotton candy didn't throw for that long. It was maybe like a minute. Didn't love it, so probably not repurchasing. Cherry almond, loved. Orange dreamsicle, I love that one. I love an orange dreamsicle scent. Whew, smells like summertime. S'mores, not so much. Not for me. The chocolate in this note, not my thing. Some people love the chocolatey scents. I only like a peppermint chocolate candle, honestly, or the hot fudge sundae, or the hot cocos and cream from Bath & Body Works, and that's it. I tried, not my thing. I think if there was more marshmallow and graham cracker, I would have really liked it, but there wasn't. Again, mint chocolate chip, not my thing. Oh, this was mint chocolate chip marshmallow, and I love marshmallows, but I didn't love that one. I'm just being honest here, and I support her. I've bought those things with my own money, so I'm not talking negatively about her. This is just not for me, and maybe for somebody else, and I just want you guys to know what I like. Gummy bears was good. It was not gummy bears like the Midnight Wax Company gummy bears. It was very different, but it was a good one. I might buy that one. But this one I absolutely loved, and it was the toasted marshmallows. It smells so good. It doesn't have a sweetness to it like most marshmallow waxes do. There's something to it that smells different, but good in the same sense. I don't know. It doesn't smell like this vanilla pumpkin marshmallow by any means. This on another level. I love this candle. Oh, it's so, so good. The other day, I put it on my wax warmer and lit it at the same time. And don't ever complain about a throw, because if you do that, it's gonna be smelling real good. Then I have the 2 Goose Creeks that I bought. I got the butter cookie because I heard it is a fave of many people, and it was not a fave of mine, to be honest. I don't really like this. Well, it just smells fake. It doesn't, to me, smell like quality wax. At first does, like the very first sniff, like the literal like 1 to 2 second sniff of it, you're like, ooh, butter cookies. And then it has this odd after scent that just smells fake and not good. So that it will not be in my shopping cart. But I did buy some stuff from Goose Creek recently, the Halloween candles, and they smell amazing. The wax melts, not impressed so far, not impressed. The next one I had is the marshmallows, because I saw a marshmallow scent and I just had to purchase it because I had to see. You never know what's going to be your favorite or not. This just wasn't making the cut. Doesn't smell anything like marshmallows to me. It smells very fragranty and not floral, but it just smells like, whoa, that's a fragrance in here. I don't know how to even describe it. It's very perfumey. That's it. That's what I mean. It's not floral. It's just perfumey. Best way I can describe it. Not for me. Again, don't like it. What I did like was the DH Home Watermelon and Nectar. I love this candle. Whew, I love a watermelon candle for the summertime. But look how sooty this turned out. There is soot galore on this candle. I love DH Home. You can get them in Home Goods, I believe Marshalls. This is a great quality company. I would repurchase them in the future, but I need to simmer down my candle collection. It's a little crazy right now. And last but certainly not least by any means, because I love this candle, and it is the Bath and Body Works Blueberry Pie. I actually got through a candle. Lately, I just keep going like from different candle to candle because I'm just in different moods for different scents, and I have so many. I'm like, ooh, this one sounds good, or I'll try this one. So I finally got down to one whole candle. But the problem with this candle, and this is the only complaint I have about this candle, is this candle gets so hot. I've never experienced this in my life before, but the actual glass gets burning hot, almost like it's in an oven, and the paper or the packaging of this, do you see? The label is coming off of it. I just want you guys to see. The label is peeling away because it is so hot when it burns. And it honestly made me kind of nervous because I never got nervous with candles. I didn't really understand like, oh, what's the big deal about candles? But now that I'm more, knowledgeable about burning candles and how, if you don't trim the wicks, things can pop, and then that's how, fires are lit. Yeah, this candle made me nervous, but it smells so good. And I know there's wax still in there, and there's a substantial amount of wax, but it was getting so hot and it started smelling smoky that I just couldn't keep burning it anymore. So I put it on top of my warmer and I just warmed the fragrance out of it for as long as I could. I would definitely repurchase this. I will be if it comes out next year. I'm really excited that this candle came out. It is just an American favorite. Everybody loves this candle. Alright guys, well that is a wrap on my empties video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up so that I know to continue to make these videos, because I love producing content that you love and that I love as well. So that really helps me when you give me the thumbs up, and it actually shares my video more to others so that they can join my community as well. So don't forget to be kind to yourself and to be kind to others. It's so important. I just see a lot of negativity on the internet, and I want my space to be a really positive one, and I want you to be positive to the other people that I communicate with as well. We are the Kind Squad over here. My gal pal Jackie and I, if you don't know her, she is Jackie McManus. She has a wonderful channel. It's all about positivity and kindness and the things she loves. And yeah, I just feel like we're the Kind Squad. So I hope you guys are having a great day and a great weekend. Just enjoy it. Go outside, no phone, be with family and friends, just breathe the air in and just enjoy living in the present. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!